Hi guys, Jared Wesley here. Just wanted to spend a couple minutes and talk to you guys about two great trades that were called in the live traders chat room today. The first one is BBBY. This was a beautiful 1 minute engulfing bar. You can see the bottoming tail that was left right here. And this trade was actually called at $41.04, right around 9:32 to 9:33 in the morning. Okay, so something quick right off the open. And you'll notice at that same time that this trade triggered and this trade was called, the Qs were shooting straight up at that time. So the market timing just could not have been better. So we had this wide range green bar that was engulfed by a red bar that left the bottoming tail. And that bottoming tail is really important because what that's doing here is reconfirming the strength of the buyers. The sellers tried to come in, they tried to overtake the green bar, and they couldn't. So that bottoming tail is kind of your trigger to say, hey, this stock is really strong and we need to find a way on this. And then when you see the market going straight up, it's a no-brainer. So you get in here at 4104, 4105. The stop is at the low of the day, which was about 4084. Okay, if you're looking for a 2-to-1 target, you're looking for about 40 cents or so, maybe a little bit more than that, right? Pay for the trade fees. Well, you can see 40 cents would be right around, 41.50 or so. Well, this stock ended up going to 41.80. Pretty much painless straight up. There was a little bit of a pullback here, but no big thing. So if you're one of those traders out there that doesn't have all day to trade and you need to make your money in 30 to 45 minutes a day, these types of patterns are what you want to be looking for. This was a beautiful trade that Anmol Singh called in the live traders chat room today. I think they made a couple $1,000 on it. It was tremendous. My hat goes off to them. I tip my cap to you, man. Really great trade. The next trade I wanted to talk about was MU, okay? Micron Technologies. And this trade was a little bit different, okay? This was called a little bit later, but you'll notice initially off the open, MU pulled back to support at the rising moving average and bounced up. So this actually would have been a good entry at 23.25, but we weren't looking at it at that time. Once it broke the high of the day and then pulled back again, now you have the confirmation of strength, okay? Bouncing off of support, taking out the prior high, and on this pullback, notice it's at once again above the rising moving average, okay? Right around support, right? The prior high of the day is support, and it bounces. And this is exactly where this beautiful trade was called. $23.38 was the trigger price, and $23.28 was the stop loss. Now notice the pivot was right around 23.31, so it gave it a few extra pennies. Okay, little bit of wiggle room, even though this thing is extremely liquid at 24 million shares. Okay, but the trigger was right here, 23.38. The stop loss was 23.28, 10 cents. We're looking for 2-to-1 moves, guys, 2-to-1. So 20-cent move, 23.58, 23.60, you're gone. What do we get? 23.64. You couldn't have asked for a better move. And then same situation here. The market at that time had a little bit of a pullback, but it was still pretty strong. This stock was actually showing relative strength at the time. Okay, you get your 2-to-1 move and you walk away. Okay, two beautiful trades called by Anmol Singh in the live traders chat room today. Made over 4R on those two trades, and here's the kicker: was done before 10:30. Market opens at 9:30, was done by 10:15. Not everybody can sit in front of their desk for 6.5 hours a day and trade. If you're somebody that likes to trade the open or has to trade the open because of other things going on in your life, then you definitely want to check out the live traders chat room, guys. It's the real deal. This is Jared Wesley here. I hope you guys enjoyed that trade review, and you should stop by and join us at www.livetraders.com. You can email us at unmall@livetraders or Jared@livetraders. Take care, guys, and have a great day.